Do you confused between should have, could have, would have? Let's make it super simple. Should have. Should have means regret, advice. Example, I should have studied harder. મારે વધુ મહેનત કરવી જોઈતી હતી. Could have. Could have means missed possibility. કરી શકી હોત. Example, I could have won the race. હું રેસ જીતી શકી હોત. Would have. Would have means imaginary. કરી શકી હોત પણ થયું નહીં. Example, I would help you, but I was busy. હું તમારી હેલ્પ કરી શકી હોત પરંતુ હું વ્યસ્ત હતી. So friends, remember, should have means સલાહ, અફસોસ. Could have means તક હતી. Would have means ઈચ્છા હતી પરંતુ થયું નહીં. Now you should have learned it. Follow for more easy grammar power.